Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a daily recap, especially about yen index and yen pairs, because this is the current theme right now. A lot going on with that, right? So let's get started. Let me show you the chart that I made almost like a week or 10 days ago. This is over this weekend, Saturday, I made this chart, Saturday, September 27th, right? Saying that we are already here to 61% of this drop, and we might be going up. Either we're going to drop from here or from in between this area, and very good chance that we go up to 78%. So right now, currently, if you look at that chart, the current chart is exactly the same thing happened, right? So we went up right after this today, not to this week, sorry, hiccups. So this week started, we went up straight and keep going right now. And this area is about to hit. So 127 and 78%. 78% of this drop. And this from A, B, and C extension, 127, they both come in the same area, 73.48, 73.52. And we have a nice area here like 73, 73, 72 is right there. So this candle high may stop it. This is like a monthly chart. So on the daily chart I made before, let me show you that, the chart that I made before was like this, right? So I said, okay, this is like wave C. It usually comes in 5 waves, it's an impulse wave. So 1, 2, 3, and then A, B, C, 4, and then this could be into this area wave 5. But what happened is that it dropped, last week it dropped here, right? And it stays above this wave 4 I have mentioned here, right? So what really happened here, if you want to understand that, this is what happened. What is this? This is the bullish running flat, we call it, and it usually incoming wave 4. See this diagram? And this diagram is made a long time ago, and it's all over the internet. You can see it. I made it. Right? So this is my personal diagram. I didn't copy it from anywhere. So this is like wave 3 in 5 waves. Then A is in 3 waves, A, B, C. Then B is in also 3 waves, A, B, C. But notice that B is a little bit higher than wave 3. Then wave C comes, but it stays also a little bit higher than wave A, and then start to go up fast. That's exactly what happened here. If you look at it, that B, see this is the end of wave 3, then this is A, B, C, A, then A, B, and this is C, and then you can see that this B becomes, it went up a little bit above A, the wave of, the end of wave 3, right? So B is higher than wave 3, and then it drop here, and then staying above A, the wave C. So that is a perfect, by the book, a running flat. And after that, boom, it went up for wave 5. So that's exactly what happened. So from my chart, what is the difference? It came down for one more extra leg in wave 4. And wave 4 is very complicated. I always tell you that it can make a different, shape and form. And you're expecting one, and then it does the other, right? So yeah, so I was expecting that it will go up here and finish wave 5, but instead of that, it came down here, made the running flat, and then it could come down here more below A, and that would be, then we will call it an expanded flat, right? But it started to go up from here, so that was a running flat, and we are into this area anyway, where I was expecting, and I made the chart. All right, so be careful. This area may, the price may stop here and may turn. We need something big for that to happen, but let's see what will happen, right? So this is what, now based on that, what happened to the yen pairs? Let's go take a look. This is what happened. Right, so you have an extension here, this drop, and you can see that this is 1.618 and then 178, and then it's keep going up and up and up and up. And this is how bad the yen index is getting weaker. So pretty big move to the upside, right? And if I can shrink the chart, you can see that, see, this is how it is. Right, so this was happening here, and then it dropped, running flat, 3, then A, B, and C. and now it is going up. So pretty good chance now for a reversal, or at least a small retracement might happen, right? So be careful, right? Going long now, it's completely out of the way. No, I mean, out of the question for now, for me at least, right? Um, and now, euro yen, you can see that also if you pull the fib from here to here, and then this is 120, 178, and then it's trying to get a stop here, right? 161, 178 area. And usually, this is the one that this is the area that the price makes the turn. So be very, be ready for this also. And USD yen, for that matter, it also went up all the way 61.78 area, right? Extension here, and then probably pretty big move, and it may retrace a little bit. So be careful. Other than that, if you look at the Aussie yen and CAD yen, you will find they are doing the same thing. Pretty big move to the upside, and this is CAD yen also, right? So let's go take a look quickly. Let's say, for example, pound yen. Where the heck this thing is going on a weekly chart? And if yen index is going to make the turn, is pound yen ready to make the turn? Is there any significant level already reached? Something like that. So this is pound yen, and this is the all-time high here, and now it dropped. Then again, it's doing the same thing, A, and then B and C. I had it here too, B, and then it's supposed to drop here, but how and what will make it drop, I don't know just yet. Time will tell. Monthly chart is like this. Now, if it goes a little bit more than this high here, right, on the left, all the way, you can see that this is the high that stopped the move to the upside, and then we drop, right, from here to here. And then this is like correction, mean like A, B, C. And if we can stay below this high, then we can drop. But right now, we are powerfully going to the upside, so we may go higher, even higher, right? So 61% of this drop is right here, which we poke into first and then drop, and then again we are above it. So this, maybe it will be going for 78% here somewhere. So this is the weekly chart, this is the monthly chart, and this is a daily chart, not telling us anything good. So yeah, and let me show you the euro yen, if we can see what euro yen is doing on a monthly and weekly. They all went up big time. Let me see. Oh, come on, man. Change it. No. Okay. All right. So USD yen, you can see here, this is what happened. Right. This is a monthly chart, all-time high here. It was the highest was this, and then we poke into it before we drop, and then we are now going to the upside a little bit more. Now, this one, another version, a monthly chart is not this one. Where's the other one? Let me see. Where is that, man? I always have it here. Now, okay, USD yen, this is pound yen. Okay, accidentally, I think I lost it. No, this is euro yen, man. What am I doing? Okay, this is euro yen. Sorry, I was looking at USD yen. So this is euro yen, and this is what's happening, right? So my take was that this is going to be like something like this. A butterfly pattern, right? So that need to be going to 127, which is way far still, right? So this is, you can see the fib, this one, let me see, forget about this one for now, right? Okay, so this touch was like more than 61 and very close to 78. So if we take this as 78, then price came and bounced from 23%, and then it's supposed to be going for A, B, and C to 127 for a butterfly pattern. So it might be going there, maybe. And this is all-time high, yes, and then it's going to the upside here, constantly going to the upside, right? So if yen stays there, yen index, and start to drop, maybe we will drop from here as well. But if not, then right now it is powerfully going to the upside. Similarly, if you look at this USD yen, the key is that yen index chart, okay? Pay attention to that. If that's going to make the turn, then these pair will make the turn. USD yen, okay, USD yen monthly chart we look, and then this is what it is, right? The bigger chart I made long time ago, and then this is like wave 1, 2, and then according to my calculation, if you look at the wave 3, right? So this could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and then this is small wave 4, and then we can go up here. So 1, 2, and 161%. Wave 3 is coming here to 180. Right? So we have right now we are at 152. So that is telling me that yen is going to get weaker as well as USD is going to get strong. And if we continue to the upside, we're supposed to be bouncing from here. We did 47.71 is gone. 51.94 is in question right now, right? So 52.44 we are doing. So obviously we are above this as well. And this is 51.90 next. Right, so we no, not even next. I mean, this one and this one both gone actually, and then the next big number is 60.40 again. So this was you can see the 60.40 is right there. We hit 60.40 drop. We hit 60.40 drop. We came very close and then drop. And now the power of this move, the weakness in yen index, telling me that we may be going way to the upside. Maybe not. Maybe something just like last weekend, something out of the blue happened, and yen start to get weaker. Maybe something else is gonna happen and make it strong again. So if this is wave 1 or A, and this is wave 2, then we can come down for 3. Wave 3 can have 5 waves. We can see that this is a drop here, so it could be like wave 1, and then this is wave 2. Around 61%, or 78%, somewhere there, it can make the turn, right? So that could be the case that we're going to stop here and then start to drop for wave 3. For that, something very, very big and drastic should happen, right, in Japan. USD not going to get that weaker, but something has to happen, and that can make this USD very strong for this to come down. So I don't see no reason right now, but it takes no time to get the reason, right? So be very careful into this area. 61%, I should have a 78 as well here. So somewhere here, it may turn. Be careful, and that would be because if yen start to take yen index start to take the downside move, right? So that's so far, and forget about Aussie yen and CAD yen and all that. These three pairs are enough to trade. I mean, you saw my last video that this is USD yen. This up move gave me this 295 here on 20-minute chart, and Euro yen 220, and pound yen 375, and this CAD yen 105, and the Aussie yen 90. Then 7-minute chart Euro yen 195. And pound yen 7-minute chart 190, all taken by this EA expert advisor CTS7, right? So these are so far. What the heck is that? 3 trades only? No, it's something wrong here. So I gotta fix that. All right, so this is it for now, and I'm want to talk about the U.S. dollar index and all the other things, but right now, for now, yen pairs are the main theme, and that's what's happening. That those are the pairs that are moving right now. Nothing else is moving. I have a couple of short, like Euro USD, Pound USD, also because of the fact that USD is getting strong. So I'll make the USD video separate, but let me just show you currently what is happening in these yen pairs when yen index is going to the upside powerfully. For example, pound yen, I made the chart earlier. You know that I posted on the Telegram that this thing is going to bounce from here. So we bounce exactly from there, but the bounce is pretty big, right? So far you can see that extension here. It is gone away above from 161, 171, all gone. But this is pretty big move. So you need a retracement. We require a retracement. This is way away from these EMAs, and it should drop back to those EMAs. Every time it goes away, it comes back, right? Uh, Similarly, euro yen, you can see that my take was that it's going to go up, but went up nice and clean into this area, 161, 178, right? Just like retracement, we have these two levels, 61 and 78, or in between, and this is exactly, here an extension. And similarly, USD yen, you can see that extension here, 61 and 78, exactly there, right? So very good chance that we will drop from these areas and these yen pairs, especially, right? So yen index makes the move to the downside, they will go to the downside. I'll make new charts and I'll post on the telegrams. This is just a video that I'm making that it might be making a turn now to the downside. So be ready. All right. So, and I'll make the chart for USD, not the chart. Yeah, chart and the video about US dollar index and gold later on. All right. So this is it for now. And let's make convert the recording, and I'll send out a post on the Telegram. And by the way, somebody was asking that, what is the difference between this and, these two Telegrams that I have. So the one that I have and I post for my subscribers is the one that, is only for the subscribers, right? There are only, paid subscribers. The other is the free version, which is I post over there as well. But obviously, those people who are not my subscriber, they don't have my system, right? But if they understand it, they understand it, but they cannot trade the way we do because we subscribers. Why? Because they don't have the system. These Renko, chart builder and all of that, or CTS7 and all of that, right? But I post over there these charts as well so that they can see what the heck we are doing and how we are doing so that they can join if they want, right? That's the only reason. And sometimes I make these videos public as well for the fact that only my subscriber will understand perfectly and then take the trades accordingly. But other people will see that, okay, this is how we are doing. And then they can come and join. They're very welcome, right? That's the reason that I make these videos public as well. So this is it for now. And hopefully I will make the other videos today as well. Very, very tired. But I'll make it. I'll make it. Hopefully, right? So bye now. Bye for now, and talk to you guys soon in other video.